Oh yeah, we're getting that golden light out now. Man, they can really hide in that brush, can't they? Oh, I love this lighting. This is great lighting. Oh, it's starting to run away. Alright, here we are at home base. Conditions right now, mostly cloudy, but just enough breaks in the clouds to let some occasional sunlight through. We got pretty much no wind right now, which is very nice. Even though it feels nice right now, the rest of the week and even the past couple weeks have been crazy hot. Even up here in this elevation, it's over 90 degrees. The drive that I typically do is about the same elevation as home base right here. It actually drops even probably 100 feet. But let's take a new route today. We're going to go in the opposite direction, head up a mountain that'll gain us roughly about 1,200 feet. It's 6:50 right now, sunset is in about 50 minutes, so we need to start hitting the road here. Let's get packed up. As of right now, I don't mind the clouds just because they are softening the highlights and shadows, so we're not getting the raccoon eyes that you would get in direct sunlight. But as the sun continues to go down, it could mean the sunset is cut a little bit short and it cuts even more light off, so my shooting time could be limited because of it if it stays this way. About 5 miles into the drive, nothing yet. Man, they can really hide in that brush, can't they? Oh, got some extra babies too. Oh, they're starting to walk away from me, getting farther. Oh, yes, please go to that golden light. Oh, I love this lighting. This is great lighting. Even though they are farther away from me than I would have liked, I really like this shot. This is a nice looking shot. It's a pretty enough area that they're in, composition and background, that I'm fine with having them a little smaller in the frame. Alright, that was nice, but we got to get moving if we want to see any more. Oh, and while I'm driving to the next spot, I wanted to show you some deer I actually ran into in my yard just last week. I wasn't doing my wildlife drive, I just came out of my house and there they were in my yard, but I got some really cool shots. Aren't those cool? I was really happy with them. I'm running out of light. I gotta find something quick here. Definitely not gonna run out of road. The road goes for a long time, but the light does not. The guide that I like to use typically for how much light I actually have left to shoot in is my headlights. When I start to see my headlights, I know that for my 6.3 big ol' 600mm lens, it's just not going to cut it, at least for a clean image. Now I know the quality is going to get significantly worse just because of how low light it is and how high I have to bump my ISO, but you know, I'm already out here. I might as well keep looking, even if it doesn't create movie-worthy shots. There's some deer down in that field, but I really don't like the angle that I'm looking at them from, and I'm pretty far away. Let's keep going. Yeah, I can tell that video quality's pretty bad, but it's still really cool to see. I'm still out here. It's a gorgeous night. It's a misty, waxing moon. Got some deer. Life's good. I'm up to 10,000 ISO, and even that is a little bit dark. I'll have to brighten it in post. As you can see, I'm at 1/80th of a shutter, which is definitely a little bit slower than I would like to go, but I'm just trying to get the most out of it that I can without seeing that choppiness. Oh, it's starting to run away. All right, I think it's about time to call it. I was right. The clouds definitely cut down on the sunset. We are about 7 minutes past official sunset, and you can already tell how dark it is. I'm shooting at like 10,000 ISO, 2.8 aperture. So yeah, it's pretty dark. Only chance I really had to get a clean shot around this time is if they were up on the ridge line, just so that way I could expose for the sky and let them be dark. But when they're down here in the valley, there's just no way to get a shot like that. I didn't take too many photos today. One, because I knew the light was kind of limited. I got up here a little bit later than I wanted to, and the light was cut short. And two, you know, sometimes you don't always need photos. I'm already putting a video together so I can take a still if I absolutely have to. Ultimately, even though it was short, it was a really good night. I had a good time, and I'll catch you next week.